Okay, so all the way back over to is it Lichfield?
Yeah, Lichfield.
One of them. So let's see if we can sort this young couple's absolute nightmare. Their dream house that turned into a rat-infested house on the first day they moved in, which must have been lovely, and they've put up with it for a year now. And they've had the council out, they've had different people out. Let's see if we've cured it. Might need to come back one more visit, but we'll soon find out, won't we?
Yes.
Hopefully we've cured it for them. Okay then, Holly, so basically we've cured your problems. We've been here, what, 2 visits?
Yeah.
And how long was the problem going on for?
We've had the rat issue now for coming up to a year.
Coming up to a year.
Spent hundreds, if not thousands, on the problem. We've thrown everything at it. Builders, all the kind of big name rat controllers.
Yeah.
Nothing has worked. So thank you very, very much.
There you go. I rest my case. So don't ring the people with the R at the start of their name. And maybe not the council, and ring the Pest Interceptors. Thank you very much, Holly.
Happy customer.
Happy customer. That's great. Thank you very much. Cheers.